So the question is find out the total power absorbed by the element. So in order to find the power, so here you can see power formula is V into I. So I is 5 and V is 50. So it is minus 250 watts. So here the 5 amps current is flowing through this one. So it is 50. Um, sorry, this is nothing but the formula is I square R. So it is 1250 watts. This is nothing but 560 watts. And here the current flowing through this one is minus 2. So it is nothing but minus 40. And this one is 4 into 4. It is nothing but 60. So the total power is observed is nothing but minus 250 plus 250 minus 250 plus 250 plus 560 minus 40 plus 30 plus 60. Okay. So the total value is 520 plus 16 is 536 watt. So next question is they are asked to find the value of current I. Okay. So if you see the circuit, this point is count. So this is 0. If this is 0, this is also 0. This is also 0, and this is also 0. So if the current flowing through this one is 1 amps, obviously this must be minus 1 amps. So if I add these two current, I will get the voltage as 0, the potential as 0. So this is a 1 amps current. Okay. And I am going to assume this point as VA, and this is the current flow to this one is in this direction, and VB on this node as VP. So what is VB? VB is equal to 8 volt, right? So the voltage across this one is potential difference across this one is 8 volt. So in order to find the current, I have to apply the voltage divided to nodal voltage method. So here the VA minus VB, VA minus VB divided by 1 plus VA minus 0 divided by 1 plus VA minus 0 divided by 1 plus VA minus 8 divided by 1, that is equal to 0. Okay. So since if I substitute VA is equal to VB is equal to 8 volt, I will get 2 into VA minus VB plus 2 VA, that is equal to 0. So VA minus VB plus VA is equal to 0. So 2 VA is equal to VB, where VB is 8 volt, so VA is equal to 4 volt. So if VA is 4 volt means, so what is the current flowing through this one? Current flowing through this one is, so let me take this one as IA. So here the current is 1 amps, right? So minus 1 amps. So if it is 4 divided by 1, that is 4 amps current. The 4 amps current is flowing through this one. So this must be minus 5 amps, right? So if I add this one, I will get minus 1 volt. So the current flowing through this one is minus 5 amps, right? So what is the current flowing through this one? This is 4 minus 8 divided by 1, that is minus 4 amps. Minus 4 amps. So in order to get this one, this must be minus 1 amps. So my I value is equal to minus 1 amps. This is your answer. The question is find the minimum number of mesh equation which is required to analyze the given circuit. So I need to find the first how many nodes are there. So not to find the number of nodes, this is the node, the first node, and this is second node, and this one is the third node, and this one is your fourth node, and this one is your fifth node. So the node is number of node is 5. Okay. So in order to find the mesh equation, number of mesh equation, formula is B minus N minus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but B minus N plus 1, that is equal to B minus 5 plus 1. So it is nothing but B minus 4. Okay. So I need to find the how many branches are there. So what does mean by branch means this is one branch. The current flowing to this one is so this is first branch, second branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, sixth branch, seventh branch, and this is a eighth branch. So the branch value is nothing but 8. So if I substitute in this equation, 8 minus 4 is 4. So the number of mesh equation required is 4. The next question is for the given circuit, we need to find the value of IA, IB and IC and the voltage across 4 kilo ohm resistors. So from the option I have taken this option. Okay. So I have taken 1.1 milliamps as my IA value. Okay. And IB is equal to minus 5 milliamps and IC is equal to minus 3 milliamps. So if this is a case, what is the current flowing through this one? This is nothing but 4.1 milliamps, right? And what is the current flowing through this one? With this 1.1 milliamps, right? So this is nothing but minus 3.9 minus 3.9 milliamps. So if I add, I will get 1.1 milliamps. So this is my this is how I have to calculate the power. So in order to find the voltage, I need to voltage across is 4K. So V is equal to 3.9 milliamps into 4K. So this must be my answer. So I don't know how it came like this. Okay, 63 14.6 volts voltage across this 4K resistors. So for the circuit, they are asked to find the value of V naught by VA. Okay, V naught by VA. So from this loop, I can write the current flowing to this one is I1, right? So VA is equal to I1 into 2K. So what is V naught? V naught is equal to I1K plus I1K plus 2VA. Okay. So V naught, so they are asked to find only V naught by VA. So that is equal to 2 I1K plus 2 into I1 into 2K. So it is something but 6 I1K. So this I can write it as 3 into 2 I1K V naught. So V naught is equal to 3. V naught by VI is equal to 3. So this is my answer. So if they are given, this is a given circuit, they are given VA minus VB is equal to 8 volt. So what is VC minus VD? This is my question. Okay, if the voltage across this one is 8 volt, the current flowing through this one is 4 amps, right? So I'm going to read out the circuit. So how I'm going to read out the circuit is this is my VA and the current flowing through this one is 4 amps. Okay, and this is VB. So I'm going to read out the circuit like this. Okay. So whatever the current that is flowing to this one with the 4 amps will receive at this end. So this is my uh, 4 amps current and this is VD. Okay, and uh, right. So the current flowing to this one is 5 amps. Okay. just rewinding the circuit. Okay, so if this is 5 amps and this is 4 amps, means the current flowing through this one is 9 amps. So the voltage across this one is 9 ohm. Okay, this is 9 volt. The current is flowing in this direction, so it is minus 9 volt. So my VC minus VD is equal to minus 9 ohm. So if the current flowing through this one is I. Okay, so what is the current flowing through this one? This is nothing but 0.04 Vx, right, plus I. This is my I. Okay, so I can write so what is my Vx? Vx is equal to 5 into 0.04 Vx plus I. Okay, so it is nothing but Vx is equal to uh, uh, 4 divided by 100. This is so 20 divided by 100, 2 divided by 5. So it is 0.2. 0.02. So it is 0.2 Vx plus 5I. So this is equal to 0.8 Vx is equal to 5I. So what is my so if I take 0.8 Vx is equal to 5I, Vx is equal to 5 divided by 0.I, that is equal to 25 divided by 4, right? So in order to obtain 0.04 Vx, so if I multiply 25 into 0.04 E divided by 4, I will get this one is equal to 0.25 I. So this is nothing but 0.25 I. So I is nothing but 1.25 I. So 60 is equal to 5I plus 8 1.25I. Okay, so from this I can find the value of I, right? So what is 125 divided by 5 divided by 4? 10I, so it is 59. So I is equal to 4. If I is equal to 4, this is equal to 5 amps, right? So the current flowing through this one is 5 amps.